Google Analytics 4 is now the default analytics platform for every website, and if you're not using it, you're flying blind. Every website in the world generates data: who's visiting, where they came from, what they're looking at, how long they stay, and whether they buy. Google Analytics 4 is the free tool that makes sense of all of it. Understanding GA4 is a must-have skill for marketers, data analysts, website owners, and anyone who wants to make better decisions with data. Let me walk you through it from the beginning. Google Analytics 4, or GA4, is Google's current web and app analytics platform. It replaced Universal Analytics in July 2023. GA4 is built around an event-based data model, meaning every user interaction is tracked as an event: page views, button clicks, form submissions, video plays, purchases. This gives far more flexibility and depth than the old session-based model, and it's designed to work across both websites and mobile apps in a unified view. Go to analytics.google.com and sign in with a Google account. Create a new property, enter your website details, and GA4 will generate a measurement ID, a code starting with G-. Add this code to your website, either directly in the HTML head section, or through Google Tag Manager, which is the recommended approach. Within 24 to 48 hours, data starts flowing into your GA4 property. The home page shows a quick snapshot of recent performance. The reports section breaks down your data by acquisition, where users came from. Engagement, what they did on your site. Monetization, revenue data for e-commerce. Retention, how often users return. The Explore section is where you build custom reports and funnels. The advertising section shows campaign performance if you run Google Ads. Users, the number of individual people who visited. Sessions, the number of visits. Engaged sessions, sessions where the user spent more than 10 seconds, viewed 2 pages, or completed a conversion. Engagement rate, the percentage of sessions that were engaged. Average engagement time, how long users actually spent with your content. Conversions, completed goals like purchases, sign-ups, or form submissions. Which pages have the highest exit rate? Those need improvement. Which traffic sources drive the most conversions? Invest more there. Which devices do your users prefer? Optimize for those. Which geographic regions generate the most revenue? Consider targeted campaigns. GA4 answers all of these questions and is used by businesses of every size, in every country. Digital marketers, growth professionals, e-commerce managers, and data analysts are all expected to know GA4 globally. It appears in job listings across marketing agencies, e-commerce businesses, SaaS companies, and any organization with a digital presence. Pair GA4 knowledge with SQL, Power BI, or Python for data analysis, and you become a genuinely rare and valuable hire. Google Analytics 4 is free, powerful, and increasingly essential for anyone working with data or digital marketing. Uplatz has data analytics courses covering GA4 alongside SQL, Power BI, and Python. Visit uplatz.com to explore and enroll. Subscribe for more data and digital skills content every week.